Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's video, we're going to go over some amazing Dollar General laundry supplies couponing deals to help you to stock up for your family for super cheap this Saturday, September 23rd. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for today's question, I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know, what is one laundry cleaning supply item that you wish a Dollar General would start selling? Hands down, I would absolutely love it if Dollar General would start selling the big bottles of Tide detergent with Downy. I have a really hard time finding it anywhere, and Dollar General only sells the small $5.50 size bottle, so that would be fantastic. So let me know what items you would like to see them start selling. Now, make sure you share this video with all your friends, family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, because we could all use a little bit of extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them too. And sharing my deal videos is such a fantastic way to support my content. It is an awesome boost to my channel, and it is greatly appreciated. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, I just want to say I had a lot of fun working on these laundry couponing supply deals for you. I tried to get some super low out-of-pocket deals that will help you to really build up your stockpile, because I don't know about you, but my laundry supply stockpile is getting a little bit low, and we just can't have that. So for this first deal, grab one of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener and one of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 54% off savings. Here's a really easy deal to stock up on a lot of laundry pods all at one time, and the Dawn Power Wash. So grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 small bag of regular Tide Pods, a small bag of Gain Flings, and 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.96 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, this is a really great deal to really start working on your stockpile, because you have a lot in one deal. And you have the Dawn Power Wash, which is a fantastic stain pre-treater if you've never tried it. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know one of my favorite laundry cleaning supplies that Dollar General sells is the Lysol laundry sanitizer. I absolutely love this stuff going into the cold and flu cootie season. It is a must in my house, and I was super excited to recently learn that Dollar General started selling the large size bottle too. So we definitely got to stock up on this stuff. So for this deal, grab one of the small size bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer, 1 200 count box of Gain dryer sheets, 1 small bottle of Gain fabric softener, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.75 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Now, I just want to include this too. With me being such a big fan of the Lysol laundry sanitizer, I've kind of realized over the last couple of years of using this stuff that I can kind of count on one of these small bottles lasting one major cootie fest in my house. if that makes sense. So it will last you a while, the small size bottles, but of course the large ones are awesome too, and they'll last you a lot longer. Here's another easy deal to stock up on a lot of laundry pods all at one time. So grab one bottle of Shout Stain Remover. Now, we don't have a coupon for the Shout, unfortunately, but like I always try to tell you, just because we don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean we still can't score a great deal on it. We just have to work it into a deal with some higher value coupons to lower our out of pocket. Then grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, and this $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash coupon is one of the coupons that helping to make the magic to lower our out of pocket for that Shout. Then grab one of the $5.75 size bags of Purex packs, 1 small bag of Gain Flings, and 1 small bag of Tide Pods. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.51 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now that is a relatively low out of pocket when you consider how many laundry cleaning supplies you're actually getting in this deal. When I started working on my laundry cleaning supply deals this week, I realized that unintentionally, I hadn't been including the big container of Gain laundry detergent for a while. I'm not exactly sure why I stopped doing it. So I wanted to work into a deal this week and see how low we could get the deal with the $7 off Airwick plug-in coupon. So grab one of those big bottles of Gain laundry detergent in your scent of choice. Just make sure it attaches to the $3 off Gain coupon. And then grab 1 5-count pack of the Airwick plug-in refills. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax for 54% off savings. We are basically paying full price. Well, not full price. We're getting it for several dollars less than the full price of the Gain laundry detergent, and we're getting the Airwick plug-in refills basically for free. These are some of my favorite kind of couponing deals right here. For our next deal, we're going to stock up on the gallon-sized bottles of white vinegar because if you've never tried it, white vinegar is actually a fantastic substitute for fabric softener. I actually switched to this almost a year ago now, and it has been a game changer for me. It's an awesome substitute if you're trying to cut out some of the chemicals in your house. I did it as an experiment because I was having some health issues, and it really did make my life a lot easier. Now, I promise you, when you do this, when you get the laundry out of the washer, it does not smell like white vinegar like you would think it would. It just smells like clean laundry. So if you want to stock up on it, this is a great deal for you. Grab 2 of those gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, 4 bottles of the 16-ounce size bottles of hydrogen peroxide, which is also a great stain treater for certain stains that you have to deal with, 1 medium gain fireworks, 2 Vaseline lotions, and 1 Febreze fabric refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.60 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Moving on, our next deal is a super beginner-friendly couponing deal because it doesn't have a whole lot of pieces to it. So you are really setting yourself up for success to get a cheap out-of-pocket deal here. So grab 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods, one of those big bottles of Downy fabric softener, and again, one of my favorite Febreze fabric refreshers. I'm going to be so sad when this coupon expires because I love working it into my deals. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $13.10 plus tax for an easy 51% off savings. Now, with me being such a big fan of the white vinegar as a substitute for fabric softener, I kept thinking to myself, I wonder what it would be like if we worked it into a couponing deal with these high-value Bounce dryer sheets coupons, and I was so happy I did. So for this deal, grab 2 of those gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, 1 130-count box of Bounce pet dryer sheets, 1 of the 50-count size boxes of Bounce pet dryer sheets, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.90 plus tax for a 50% off savings, which is amazing when you consider $7 of this transaction is just the white vinegar alone. And we are also getting a big 130-count box of the Bounce pet dryer sheets. So this is a really great deal to really build up your stockpile for super cheap. Another one of my favorite laundry cleaning supplies that Dollar General sells is definitely the True Living Oxy multi-purpose cleaners. These cleaners are just fabulous product. I can't say enough good things about it. It's a fabulous substitute to actual name brand OxyCleaner. The first day I got it, I intended to get actual OxyClean, but they were actually sold out at my stores, like Dollar General does all the time. So at the time, all they had was this True Living brand, and I noticed how much significantly cheaper it was than the name brand, almost half, and it was the same size container. So I got it just on a whim, thought I'd give it a chance, and I'm so glad I did because it works so well. It's an awesome product, and I definitely need to focus on stockpiling it before winter gets here. So here's a great deal that you can do that if you want to do it along with me. Grab 2 tubs of the True Living Oxy Cleaners, 1 5-count pack of the Airwick plug-in refills, and then 1 Airwick oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11 even plus tax for a fabulous 58% off savings. For this next deal, you're going to want to grab 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods, and 2 of the 3-count boxes of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I'm going to be seriously so upset when this 4 off of 2 Mr. Clean coupon expires. It is hands down one of my favorite coupons this week. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $11.40 plus tax for a 58% off savings. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I am super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you to save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking gain deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our gain deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pockets deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.